It's a question of Jee Main 2025 related to topic probability. In this question, it is given that conditional probability of A with respect to B, that is probability of A oblique B, and probability of B oblique A, that is nothing but conditional probability of B with respect to A, are the roots of the quadratic equation. I have written this quadratic equation here. Then probability of A intersection B, it is also given to you as 0.1. And we are to find out value of this probability of A complement union B complement divided by probability of A complement intersection B complement. Don't get confused, the value is not the probability of any event, just it's a value, it's a ratio, it can be greater than 1 also. Okay, for that take the quadratic equation, solve it. On solving you will get the roots according to question. Roots are probability of A oblique B, so that must be equal to 1 by 3. Accordingly, probability of B with respect to A must be equal to 1 by 4. Now, at first you try to get the value of probability of B as well as probability of A. So, conditional probability definition known to us, probability of A intersection B by probability of B equal to 1 by 3, and intersection probability given in the question, it is 0.1 by probability of B, which is 1 by 3, and then probability of B is equals to 0.3. Similarly, here also if you apply the conditional probability definition, and then you will get probability of A equals to 0.4. So almost we have done. Next, you have to get the probability of A union B. Probability of A union B. By definition, it is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. And all these values are known to us. That is 0.4 plus 0.3 minus 0.1. And this is nothing but 0.6. The probability of A union B is your 0.6. Now, let us find out the value of this. So, here you have to use the De Morgan's rule. Let me rub this. Now you see how the value can be calculated. From here, this is nothing but probability of A union B. It is, if you write it is intersection, then whole complement, just De Morgan's law you have used. Probability of it is your A union B whole complement, and it is nothing but 1 minus probability of A intersection B divided by 1 minus probability of A union B, and that's why we had calculated probability of A union B here. Now just put the values. What you get, you see 1 minus probability of A intersection B. In the question it is given as 0.1 divided by 1 minus probability of A union B, it is 0.6. So 0.6. After that, 1 minus 0.1 is your 0.9 and it is your 0.4, and the value is your 9 by 4. This is the value of this ratio. You don't get confused that 9 by 4 it cannot be probability. It is not the probability of any event, just the value of a ratio. That is 9 by 4, option is there. 9 by 4 is the correct option. I hope all the steps are clear. Thank you.